and welcome to the Trading with Ashley show. I am so glad that the weekend is here. It has been a crazy week for sure. We have had so much going on with all the craziness with MSTR yesterday and the short report from Citadel, and then today the recovery. It has been quite the roller coaster ride for sure. And ironically, it's options week, and all of you had selected the stock MSTR to trade. So that was a little bit of an interesting dynamic because I was like, well, we can't really sell puts on MSTR. It's running again today. And so I came up with a unique solution on my live today. And so I'm going to go ahead and attach that to this video so that you can watch it. And it looks like you enjoyed the live, so I will probably be going live more often and trading live for all of you. I think it's helpful because you can kind of see how my brain works when the market's open and I'm actually making trade. And I have something very exciting to share. I am offering the new Trader Network. It is a separate Discord, different from my inner circle where the vast majority of the trades are going on. But it is a wonderful place for you to learn how to option trade. My course is a part of that network. It's a self-paced course. It'll give you a great foundation. And I have a coach in there helping people learn the basics. And then after you feel like you're ready to graduate to the big leagues, you can. But it'll just be a better opportunity for those of you that want to get into options and you just don't feel like you have the money quite yet or you don't have the knowledge quite yet. It's a wonderful way to break into the world of options. And for those of you that are further along and you want to join Ashley's Inner Circle, it's a great place to be. We certainly have fun all day together. We trade all day together. Last night, we actually had an impromptu live session so that we could game plan and navigate with all the changes that happened in MSTR. We wanted to make sure our trades were shored up and that everyone knew what to do. We definitely embody the spirit of a true community. We're all there for each other, and it just makes trading more fun when you're trading with other like-minded people. So if you want to do that, we would love to have you. All right, here's the Ashley Live. Yeah. Okay, so MSTR won the challenge, and what a roller coaster ride we have had with MSTR in the last few days. Citadel did their hit piece, and it tumbled the stock. It started recovering today. It recovered nicely. If you're in my community, we went live unexpectedly last night just to do some trade doctoring. And that is, I guess, the beauty of being a part of a community. We had a couple hundred of us on there just trying to figure out, what our best moves were for the following day, which was today. And luckily, MSTR cooperated and we were able to successfully either roll our trades, close out in profit, or take out some new ones. So this stock is such a volatile stock, but I want you to all just be aware and realize that the volatility that's wonderful and that you enjoy, it's there for a reason, meaning there's risk associated with high volatility plays, but there's ways that you can make them safer. And that's what I specialize in. I try to take high volatility plays and make them safer so that you can enjoy what comes with the volatility. That's extra premium when you're an options seller. You don't want to be an options buyer when there's high volatility, but you do want to utilize the things that you have available to you to be an options seller and take advantage of all that extra premium. And so since you wanted to trade in STR today, it is not a good day to sell a put. And I know those of you that have been with me for a while would understand why. That's because the stock is running today. So we do not want to sell puts on a day that a stock is running fast and hard. For one, if it stops and backs up, then we're going to probably be left holding the bag, buying the stock for higher than we need to. Plus, we're not going to get quite as much premium as if we had waited for a red day. And so, since you wanted MSTR, I'm going to give it to you. But I think the play I'm going to do for you is something that you may have heard before. It's called a buy right. And all that is buying 100 shares of a stock and writing a contract against those 100 shares at the same time. And so what that does is we buy the shares at a high point because it's running today, but we immediately sell a covered call saying, "These 100 shares that I'm about to buy, you can take them away from me. And today's an expiration day, so I'm going to use today. And for that, somebody's going to pay me to honor my commitment and give up these brand new baby shares I just bought. It's like giving my shares up for adoption." So, but what can trip up a trader is if I agree to give up my shares a few dollars from where I bought them, then it's going to look like if the stock keeps running higher, it's going to look like I lost the trade as it's progressing because it's saying to me, you could have gotten more money if you would have waited until the stock was a little bit higher. But I don't want that to intimidate any of you because the main thing is if you're buying at one price and selling at a higher price, you're still winning. And so I fear that the brokers show us a red trade, even though we're not really losing that money. It's just missed opportunity. My fear is they show us that so that a trader will shut down their trade and they make money when you lose money. And so I want to make sure you know what you're doing, and we're going to go and do that together today. So I hope you're excited about that. I have reserved some cash for you so that I could do this trade live, and I think it's going to work out pretty good. And it's a good way for you to learn because a buy right is not what I see a lot of people talking about, but it's one way in my community that if we just want to get in on the action on a green day and everything's running high, this is a way to do it. Okay. So let me share my screen and we're going to go try to make this happen for all of you so you can make some money for the weekend. I hope you have fun weekend plans. Maybe you can make a little extra cash to go and have a nice dinner tonight. All right, let me share my screen. All right, here's what I'm going to do for all of you. I am going to do this the old school way because you need to know how to do this one way or the other. I am going to go buy 100 shares right now, live. Remember when you were in school in math and they said, well, you need to learn how the math works? That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go buy 100 shares. I'm going to do a market order to help you. It's costing me $44,345. Let's go ahead and make that happen. Order received. Manage orders. Let's go take a look. Okay, it filled it at $44,297 for you. Now, I am going to go and sell an option on it, and it's trading at 442. So what I want to do is, this is important, when you do this, you do sell to open, and then you're going to do one, because this is going to represent 100 shares. I am selecting a call. The expiration is going to be today because I want to go ahead and get out of this trade today and enjoy my weekend with my extra money. All right, 442 was the price that I paid. Now, let's see if I sell these. I could sell them for 442.50. That's just an extra 50 cents, but that's okay because I'm really just doing this for the premium. And the worst thing that would happen is it doesn't hit my strike. I get to keep the premium, and then I can do this again next week. So let's see what we can get. Okay, look, I can get about a real 1042. This will probably be maybe, I'm going to put in, for the sake of this, I'm going to go ahead and put in 1025. Okay, it's during the day. I put in a limit. I'm going to gain $1,000 today, and it's going to pluck away my shares at the end of the day as long as we are trading at my strike price or higher. My strike price is 442.50, okay? And then what could happen that's going to look like it's hurting me is if I sell this and if this runs to 450, it's going to show that I could have gotten more money. But remember, I'm not losing money as long as it's taken away from me at the price that higher than the price that I bought it for, okay? Let's place this order. And there it is right here. I just received $1,116 for this trade. So what'll happen at the end of the day, these 100 new shares that I just had, I just got them in my hands. Now I'm going to let them go or just slightly higher. And then I received all this cash as a result of that. So that is what you call a buy right. Yes. Okay. So let's go over. I'm seeing a few questions, which is good. I want questions. This is the whole part of learning. It's what could happen, what could go wrong. So let's talk about the worst case scenario in what I just did, okay? I just bought 100 shares of MicroStrategy, so it was over $44,000, okay? Now I sold the call. I get to keep that money, that $1,000 that I sold the call for, that's mine. Nobody can take that away from me, okay? That is mine. Now, if this stock happens to have another hit piece come on at it today, and this stock tanks, let's say it drops down to $350, well, those shares are mine, okay? I'll get to keep that premium, but it's still going to be a huge bummer because now I'm holding shares that I just bought. I was willing to give them up, for a little bit more than I bought them for, but now the stock is tanked. So now I have to wait for the stock to recover to sell calls against it again. Okay. So that's the biggest risk. So you really don't want to do this on a stock you do not think will go back up because otherwise you'll be left literally holding the bag because you just got $1,100. But what good is that if I then go and lose $10,000? Okay. And so that's the way that that works. And that's the risk associated with it. So if you think about it, it's best done if you buy the shares as low as possible and then wait until the stock's running and then sell your calls. That way, you insulate yourself quite a bit from pullbacks because you got the shares cheaper anyway. But this is a good way to trade. If you're going to do a buy right, you can do it at any point in the week. But this worked out good for me to do it today because it expired today. So I was able to take if the trade works in my favor, then what'll happen is I'll have those shares called away. I'll get all that money back in my broker that I just spent to buy the shares. Plus, I'll be $1,100 richer from the premium that I got. And then I can go and do something fun this weekend. All right, let's see. Yes, okay, so if it pulls, it's a great question. If it pulls back, let's say that MSTR pulls back to 440 and ends the day at 440. Well, I still have all those shares, okay? So now next week, I can go ahead and sell brand new covered calls at the end of the week, okay? You're liking this? You like learning live? Good, good. I know it's, I know as YouTubers, it's so hard sometimes. You don't know, gosh, are these people really trading with real money or is this a paper trading account? I've heard people, accuse other people of paper trading. So I know it's, a little intimidating to get on here and put my portfolio out there, but it is real. And, it shows you how it works. And if it can help you learn, that's the main thing. We need you to learn how to do this. You can do it on a much smaller scale. So let's say you love a smaller stock like SoFi. You want to see if we can do this on SoFi? Would that be fun? It might work for a smaller account too. You can do that. You can go purchase 100 shares of SoFi and then sell a covered call expiring the same day. And so we could do it on all sorts of different plays. And this is a wonderful way to get into the options game. And it's a safer way to get into the options game, really, because that way you don't risk so much the downside. You insulate yourself by selling a covered call immediately. Yes, John is asking, you can do this on 0 days to expiration. It is a good way to trade on not a leverage, but on an ETF like the SPY, if you've got that kind of cash, because that is a blended ETF and it helps you if you end up having a little bit of pullback, usually it'll charge ahead in the coming days. So this is best done on something that you have a high level of confidence it will go up over time. So all right, I hope that lesson was fun for all of you. I will definitely do more lives. This was my first one, so admittedly, I was a little bit nervous, but all of you showed up and it sounds like you learned something, and I'm so excited for that. And if you like this way of trading, if you like this type of YouTube content, just let me know and I will start doing it more often. And if you do want to join me, I have something exciting I'm announcing today. I'll just go ahead and announce it here. I am starting something called the New Trader Network, and I am accepting individuals into a Discord. It's separate from my larger Discord where we have a lot of active trading going on. But the New Trader Network is designed for those that want to learn and they just need more handholding, but they don't have huge accounts right now. Maybe they're trading with about 5,000 and they just want to learn. I have an opportunity for them now to join me, and it's at a much slower pace for them to start to get some instruction. I have one of my coaches in that particular Discord in my New Trader Network, and he's going to help people along the way. So I'm excited for those of you that want to join me. The price entry point is much lower than joining the larger community. But the best part about it is once you get to the point and you've built up your account and you feel confident, you can always upgrade to the larger community where you're going to get a lot more interactions and a lot more trade setups. And so it's a good way for you to break into option trading and not feel like you're just, in the middle of a bunch of active traders. And that can be so intimidating. I know. Oh my goodness. I just got a super chat. Thank you, Scott. I appreciate that. All right. In the New Trainer Network, the way that it's going to work, it is a much smaller price point. I'll have the link information. Once I get off this live, I'll get everything loaded up. If you want to get information on it, go ahead and sign up for my newsletter, and we'll send a link out for everyone that wants to join it. And the way that it'll work, you'll get access to my course. It's a self-paced course. It'll teach you how to sell options. But then you'll also get access to a Discord where I have a coach in there helping you throughout the day. And then I'm going to give you one trade a week so you can start to learn this at a very slow pace and a very safe way. Okay. So that's the way it's going to work. And it's going to be a great way to break into option trading without risking a lot of money or without being very intimidated by a bunch of traders around you. And then if you feel like you want to graduate to the larger group, then you can. And as far as how much it's going to be less than 300. So it'll be a good way for you to jump in. It'll be a monthly fee, but the course will be less than 300 and it'll be a great way for you to learn. Okay. All right, everybody. With that, I have to go because I have something very exciting happening. And this is why I trade options. It's my granddaughter's second birthday. So I'm going to go meet her for lunch and bring her presents. She wanted a Barbie doll, so that's what I got her. And I'm going to go have lunch with her. And honestly, this is why I left corporate America. I wanted to be free for things like celebrating birthday of my precious little grandchild. There were so many birthdays I had to miss when I worked at corporate America. But now that I trade options for a living, I've got that comfortable atmosphere where I can go do what I want and I can decide when I'm working and when I'm not. So I wish that for all of you. It's the whole reason I got into this. And I hope you learned something today. And I look forward to welcoming those that want to join me in the New Trader Network, or if you want to join the larger Discord if you're ready for that. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. And for those of you that have been keeping up with my MSTR challenge, the challenge just concluded, and I will be doing a video this weekend to give you a recap of how we ended up. And there was an interesting little nuance of something that happened, and I'm excited to actually break it down and share it with you. All right, I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. And remember, if you were with me trading with Ashley, there is no trader left behind.